Holy crap, that was fast. Hey, I know this guy. First game of the night. Damn it. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! Mitko? I just... Last video was with this guy. And I lost with Dragon Link. Now he's using... Tri-Brigade Wind Lockdown. I don't know what these cards do. The OCG art? Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh! Spelt it wrong. How many does he have? 3. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a link for. He's going for some org. Dang. Yeah. Link 3 actually. It's a link 3. Goddess, oh man, he's got some monster negates, and there it is. Damn it! Cosmic Cyclone is Tri-Brigade Oath. Can't do nothing with this guy. Can't even special summon. That's fucking great. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna have to protect myself to set a card. Turnando. Gonna end phase, get that avian lower than the total of number. What the fuck? It's a level 7 though. What? On the field, holy crap. It's broken. And this guy can negate stuff. What the f? Have no monsters in their graveyards. Oh my god. That's OTK? Oh, I got a monster now. Doom Eagle. Does not get that, how much boost is that? 24? Oh wow, then he gets the that's broken. Boom, that's game. Wow, holy crap. Mitkotian wins flawless victory. Perfect. Am I really gonna have to switch decks or something? Yeah. I'll go first. Round 2. Holy dude, this is not good. This is not good. That's not good. This is pretty good for Drytron. Jack in the hand, you built 3 level 1 monsters with different names. Oh wait, you give 1 to them. Never mind. Select a card. I think it's this guy. That is not a once per turn. Well, special summon part. Not a hard once per turn. Probably should have negated him. Oh. And he's going for some more now. Nope. It's this guy. Ah, what? He keeps ripping Forbidden Droplet out. Last time he did it with Dragon Link, Levianeer, my only chance. I had a Forbidden Droplet and what the Ancient Warriors. Oath, double Dragon Lords. What the Is he gonna OTK me again? This is turn 2. Are you joking me? Oh man, that's... wow. I haven't dueled in like a day and made a deck and then just getting destroyed. That's game. That is game. Wow. Mitkotian wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. 69. Where was that before? It was 986 969. Oh my god. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.